So if you look, what we did was we drew this square right here, this one, and we extruded downward 3 squares distance, which is 2.25. Then I drew on the side over here, and I extruded this little guy out. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the new one. So we're going to draw this one. This is the more complex one. That's probably the one people have trouble getting into. So let's do that. So we're going to go to Onshape. We're going to go to Create. And if I go a little too fast, I'm going to record this and pop it up on YouTube, guys, so don't sweat it. Puzzle piece 5. That was number puzzle piece 5, so let's put OK. And so let's get started. What am I going to draw first? You can start anywhere you want, to be honest with you. You could draw this face right here and extrude that way. That works. I'm going to do it like the longer way just so you can see. So I'm going to draw the very bottom square and go up. So let's do that. Sketch. And let's sketch there. Rotate around. We'll draw the square like we always do. And remember, these are all the same size cubes. So 0.75. And then I got to say this side is the same. And then finish. Let's go back to our isometric view. And let's go to extrude. And let's extrude this upwards. And how far are we going? 2 cubes. So that's 0.75 plus another 0.75, which is 1.5. So we're going to say 1.5 distance. There we go. There we go. That piece is done. So I just did this piece right here, that little piece. Now I need to make one square pop out. This little guy right here. I'm going to make that one pop out. So let's do that. So start sketching. And then rotate around. Let's drop a square. Oh, it's not letting me draw here for some... Oh, there it goes. Maybe I was just lagging. I thought I was on the wrong plane or something. If you can't draw on here, you're probably on the wrong plane. So I'll give you guys a heads up on that. Dimension 0.75. Did I do that in the right place? Let me just double check. No, I was supposed to draw it up here, right? I drew it down here, so I think I messed up. Yeah, I did that on bottom, so let me delete that, or let's see if control... Yeah, I could just rotate around, but I want to do it exactly the way, so I'm going to start up here and do it. I don't want to confuse it and have to rotate things around, so I'm going to do it exactly like that paper drawing was. But you're right. I don't know why it's fully constrained. I guess it is already. Look at that. It's already all done for some reason. Okay, well, I'll take it. It's already done. 0.75 by 0.75, check it off. And I'm going to extrude that little guy out. So let's extrude it. It's only coming out one square. So that one square, remember, each one is 0.75. So we extrude out 0.75, and there we go. So I just did this little guy here. And I could have probably done both at the same time. I think that's definitely possible. But I'm just doing it like baby steps at a time. So I'm going to go one square up this way. So one square up. And I probably could do both at the same time. But I'm just going to do this easy. So I'm going to do sketch on the top right. Is it there? Yeah, it's right here on top of this guy. There we go. So it's right here. So let's draw a square. And that's fully constrained, all black. So I already know the numbers are going to be right. It's already kind of understanding what I'm trying to do here. See? 0.75. Oops. So it's already all done. So isometric view. That little square right here, we're going to extrude that. Extrude. And we're going to go up only the one square. I'll show you. I just drew this square right here, this little corner one. I'm going to extrude it up right now and go upward. And by the same distance, 0.75. And done. Check mark. Now the last thing I'm going to do is right here on this face right here, I'm going to have one come out because you can see that one goes this way, right? So I'm going to draw on this face. So I'm going to say, no, not extrude. I got to draw my sketch first. So sketch, click that face, and that's over here, this face here. So let's rotate it around and draw that last square, and then we should be done. And see, since I'm clicking corners, it's going to fully constrain because I clicked that corner and I clicked that corner, and these are already all set, so I don't need to even do any dimensioning. And if you want to see the isometric view, there it is, but I can't see that side, so I need to click it over here. I need to rotate around because I'm going to extrude this one out by 1 square. And, oops, there we go. And I think we're done. Remember, you're never going to have more than 3 squares in a row. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares technically on there, or cubes, I should say. And so if you look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes here. You just don't see the sections on them, but it's the correct shape, that's for sure. All right, and I think that's it.